Another episode of Cooking with Dad in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I made this nice good egg bread with cheese, and it's very delicious, easy to make. Follow along with me, I'll show you how I did it. Okay, first thing you want to do, you want to kind of flatten this out. You want to take, I just took two biscuits out of the dairy, but you can get any brand, generic maybe. Okay, you're going to take one of these and you're going to butter it real well. Very good, like. I'm going to put that right there. And we're just going to put this inside. Okay, we'll come back. Okay, next we're going to have one egg. And then we're going to take a fork and beat it together. You want to take a little bit of salt. Kind of sprinkle in a little bit. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to pour this into the batter, or in here. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of cheese, like that. And what you're going to do is we're going to fold these in really good like. Look at the delicious egg bread biscuit. All it is biscuits and eggs and cheese. It's very delicious. Oh my god, that's delicious looking.